Today we are going to be showing you how to install a simulated divided light in a PVC frame using a Muskoka pattern. With your simulated divided light on its edge with the back against the fence, the first angle you will be cutting will be 27 degrees. Check your fit on your PVC frame, marking left or right. Measure and cut the same angle again on the other side. Set in place, check fits on all sides again, remove blue tape and install. The next part of the Muskoka grill will be the piece that is going from the PVC frame to the other simulated divided light. First angle you'll cut again will be at 27 degrees for your top portion of your PVC frame. Check your fit, measure to your other SDL, that angle will be cut at 31 degrees. Check your fit. Remove blue tape on back and apply. Keep in mind that with the SDLs, the glass surface must be cleaned and it must be warm. If you have any questions, please call MDL at 1-888-635-3667. Thank you.